In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bullets on Google Docs. By the end, you'll know how to start a bulleted list, add items and sub-bullets, switch styles, and end the list cleanly so your notes, agendas, and outlines look clear and professional. First, open your document in Google Docs and click exactly where you want the list to begin. Make sure your cursor is placed on its own line or at the spot in a paragraph where you want the first bullet to appear. There are three simple ways to start a bullet list. The quickest is the toolbar. Look for the bulleted list icon near the top. Click it, and a bullet appears right away at your cursor. If you prefer menus, go to Format, choose Bullets and Numbering, then select Bulleted List. And if you like shortcuts, use Ctrl plus Shift plus 8 on Windows or Command plus Shift plus 8 on a Mac. No matter which method you choose, you'll see the first bullet ready for text. Start typing your first item. When you press Enter, Docs automatically creates the next bullet for you. Keep typing and pressing Enter to build your list item by item. If you click elsewhere by mistake, just click back into the bullet to continue. To create a sub-bullet under any item, press Tab. The line indents giving you a nested bullet for details or examples. If you change your mind or want to move that line back to the main level, press Shift plus Tab. Use this structure to group ideas logically without clutter. You can also change how your bullets look. Click any bullet in your list to select that level, then open Format, choose Bullets and Numbering, and pick a different bulleted style. Circles, squares, and other symbols are available so you can match the tone of your document. The change applies to the selected list level, helping you keep hierarchy consistent. When you're done, press Enter on an empty bullet line to end the list. Your cursor drops to a normal paragraph so you can continue writing without bullets. That's all there is to it. You can now create, customize, and manage bullet lists in Google Docs to organize your content clearly and professionally. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.